You could say I've had a moment of absolute and total clarity. Hello everyone and welcome to another video in my M140i. Today is day... I haven't got any idea at all. I'll look it up and stick it in the title. My total mileage, unsurprisingly, hasn't changed since my last video, nor the video before that. In fact, it hasn't changed for 7 weeks now. The good news is that it looks like we may soon be nearing the end of this lockdown. We'll find out tonight for sure what the roadmap is out of this. Like me, I'm sure many of you are itching to get out there. I work from home, so I don't get the joy of a drive to work each day. So yeah, I can't wait. I really can't wait. I've got 4 almost new PS4s that are barely scrubbed in, and they're desperate for a proper workout. If you're new here, please do subscribe. You'll get some honest, geeky and slightly awkward car vlogging as I explore my M140i and try not to die while trying to power slide it like a hero. Now, as I said, my mileage hasn't changed, but here is a change. It's a change for me. It seems to be the new norm across YouTube. It's certainly appearing more and more on the content that I watch. So here we go. For the first time ever on one of my videos, here is a short message from the sponsor of today's video. Ooh. Welcome back. Now, before I get to the main point of this video, I want to share with you a bit of a surprise that I had arrive in the post a week or so ago. I received the latest and my first GRRC newsletter. It had a small piece on it about the auto solo competition that I entered back at the beginning of March, just before lockdown. Yep, that caused a genuine laugh out loud moment for me. If you know, you know. If you don't know, go and watch my day 500 video and all will be revealed. On to my last video. It generated quite a lot of commentary. Now, I love data and analysis. So 48 hours after the video went live, I read through and counted up all of the comments, and I had 129 comments in total. Of those, 33 were just general discussion points, questions asked of me, or the usual borderline abuse. Of the remaining 96 comments, 65 were saying, yeah, modify it, Mark, give it a remap. 12 were saying, change it, Civic Type R. GTR was another one, I think. And 19 were saying, just keep it, Mark, keep it as it is. And this, I don't think, will be a surprise from the title of the video, but I'm going with the 19. And that is, I'm going to be rude, and I'm going to keep this car exactly as it is for another year at least. Anyway, I'm not going to be modifying it. Being totally honest, I was so close to doing this. My insurance renews next week. I was going to change insurer to one that allowed mods because I'm with BMW insurance and they don't cover engine changes. But I had added to the basket MHD, the map pack, the app. I was going to order the Wi-Fi adapter. Just over €400 was going to give me just over 400 horsepower. And then I thought, why? Why? Since when has 360 horsepower and almost 400 pounds-feet of torque not been enough to enjoy driving a car? Especially in something like this, rear-wheel drive and with a limited slip differential. Why is that not enough? I've now renewed my insurance with BMW. No excess and really cheap, and the LSD is not classed as a mod. So the engine's going to be staying standard for another year at least. if I can't be 100% confident I can extract everything that this car has to give, why change it? I'm always looking to improve as a driver, and in fact that's where my YouTube output came from originally, filming myself on track, getting thoughts from others and trying to become a better driver. So I'd much rather work on improving myself than, you know, in quotes, improving the car. The benefit there, of course, is any changes I make to myself as a driver, they stay with me from car to car to car, and I'm not losing money on anything that I put into a car and then is lost the second I move on to something else. So that's exactly what I'm going to do over the course of the next 12 months. There's going to be plenty of mods, but those mods are going to be, to me, learning, working on myself, working to extract every single thing out of this car that it has to give. I have another auto solo competition booked already for October. Now hopefully the current nonsense will be past by then and we'll have some kind of form of normality return, so fingers crossed that goes ahead. But I am determined to win it for real this time. I owe Peter Greaves, Petrol Ped, a bottle of champagne anyway, so my intention is to win it and give him the champagne. The car certainly has the pace. I have the pace if I can perform more consistently, so that's a target for me, to go and win that auto solo for real. And as soon as we all know what's going on with this lockdown, myself, Reg, John and Lewis are all going to be heading off to Bedford with hopefully a few others to do the track day that we originally planned to do a couple of weeks ago. But as we all know, that was cancelled. I'm really looking forward to putting this car against other 140s on track and just seeing how much I can squeeze out of it. A nice summer day, good weather, good company, the smell of hot brakes and distressed tyres. I really can't wait. Thanks for watching. Please give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you soon.